I'm Natalie, and I'm a woman in trades.
My name is Valerie, and I'm a woman in trades.
Hi, I'm Camilla, and I'm a woman in trades.
My name's Lajay, and I'm a woman in the trades. I really like the Sparks, first of all, and my dad and me always do construction, and my dad did welding with his dad, and I'm really close with my dad.
My name is Sophia, and I'm a woman in the trades.
My name is Liliana, and I'm a woman in the trades.
And I am pursuing my career in HVAC because my father really inspired me.
Hi, I'm Christina, and I'm a woman in trades. I'm interested in the auto body force because my father owns an auto body shop, and I'm interested in taking it over one day.
My name's Ashley, I'm a woman in the trades. This program's great because it teaches you life lessons.
Hi, I'm Meadow, and I'm a woman in the trades. Getting real-world experience by actually going out in the labs has helped me do better in my other academics.
My name's Alexis, and I'm a woman in trades.
My name is Alicia, and I'm a woman in the trades.
Hi, my name's Elena. I'm a woman in trades.
My name is Brianna Karate. I'm a woman in the trades.
I hope to gain new experiences out of BOCES, and once I graduate, I hope to become a project manager.
My name is Jacqueline, and I'm a woman in trades.
I like coming to BOCES because it's hands-on. We don't have to sit at a desk all day, and I'm learning things I can use for my future.
My name is Caitlin, and I'm a woman in trades.
Hi, I'm Savannah, and I'm a woman in the trades. I would like to be a crane operator after high school. It's helping me by just being able to run the equipment that we have here, figuring out what I like about it and what I don't like about it.
I'm Katrina, and I'm a woman in trades.
I'm Zoe Ratoon, and I'm a woman in the trades. The best part about going to BOCES is being able to build tiny homes and sheds.
When it comes to being a woman in trades, I want to show young women that it is possible to work in a male-dominated field no matter how hard and difficult it is.